So mu district nka Kakumiro turarebera Karuru, mu district nka Kagadi turarebera Karuru, mu district ya Hoima turarebera Karuru, Hoima City Akaruru turakarebere, then tuja twareba eco kiroreka ngo Masindi na Karuru tubarakatire kandi aho turugambira munyamakuru witu yahereze kuba ari kwika mu ciceke ca Kakumiro okugira ngo turebe uko bururu buri kuza kutererwayo na munongo kuronda ba chairperson abentebe, then general secretary wa mainstream akeminyeto persons with disabilities na nobundi butyo nko kumurabamanya ariho obuciko butari bumwe na bumwe, women's league, veterans, turebe mainstream akachikwa ka district corner chairperson wa district, vice chairperson which binecha inaremu, secretary general, secretary, publicity secretary, abantu nkabo nibo baraza kwa baratorana mukeiraka. So oguni registrar kandi hati bari aha district headquarters za Kakumiro district. Kakumiro district ore muntarasa kweboza interest ya Kakumiro irabasa kurugankai konka oku niyo hararuga enganzi hangari ya Uganda mwete Prime Minister the Right Honorable Robina Musafiri Nabanja niwe razarwa mushichekeche cha Kakumiro, kind of course nka area woman member of parliament abinji tukareba abamazina mahango members of parliament abari bari kusinga karuraka ako kugira ngo agumizemu abe chairman wa NRM ahabwa district ni yemwe. So ubundi tumanya okashanga registrar ogu ali kushoma amazina gabantu abari kuza kutera Karuru, of course abari kejumbira mu nabantu bamwe abaraza ko bayikira rurengo ndirwo rumwe kandi akaruraka nako mugongo nko bundo bo tutwire turareba tukaba twarebere ho mu district nke ya Rubanda for example omwebe member wa parliament abwa Rubanda West Honorable Henry Aliganyira Musasizi kandi uriwe minister wa Minister of State for Finance, Planning and Economic Development ari kusinga Karurako akaba yisimbire kandi mu cikekeje yabari we yakasinga twareba nabandi abari kwesimba ntebe nizo zimwe, for example nka Speaker wa Parliament of the Republic of Uganda Right Honorable Anita Mong muri Bukedea na wakesimba kandi Karuru yakasinga. Twareba Excellency Jessica Rupo ari kwesimba umusheka ecara komokamu nawe yasinga Karuru. Twareba Mama Janet Katamu 7 ari mu district ya Ntungamo nawe yasimba kuba chairperson wa NRM Ntungamo yakasinga Karuru, yaba chairperson wa NRM. Then member of parliament Honorable Yona Musinguzi yabari we yamuzo mbijere nka vice chairperson. So mu district ya Kakumiro we also expect kugira ngo turere nk'izina Right Honorable Robina Nabanja nko kwa yenganzi hanga. Of course abantu bakakumiro turateka baramuta mu West je butyo bamukore chairperson wa kibina cha NRM mu district kugira ngo ayongere gukora mobilizations no kureba ngo kibina cha NRM ubwire bwa Karuru bwayika cyashakuza y'ubururu bwinji munonga babanza briefings ninga sho kutunga okuhaburwa kandi cikekecho mu district ni yemwe omukuru Dr. Tanga Odoi orakorera Akaruru akeshibina cha NRM yahereze kwiko mu cikekecho cha Kakumiro ahunda gambira niyare nawe okugira ngo azorerisho kandi ayongere no guiding abantu uko baratere Akaruru. So ubwa hati nchiriza I think baraza ko baratandika mpora batandike kutera Karuru kandi twenka tayari West turi kubikwereza byona nangwa no kumanyisa okubya agenda omisho obururu bwiji bari kubutera kandi mu district nezindi nka Chikube nayo bari kutera ubururu mu district ya Hoima ojwe ngo haro Hoima, then haro Hoima City nayo bari kuza kutera Akaruru Elizoba. Mu district nka Kagadi nayo irabarirwa muri Bonyoro sub-region eje kasharwa mu wirwa Kagadaho ahamwe Kagadi Chikube kaberi mpango munongo muri Hoimaho. Of course waruga chenjojo uraza Kagadi then ubone kuza Hoima Chikube ura wagisiga side nkeje. So uko yona bari kutera ya Karuru zona Kakumiro niyo twaza kubanza kubatwara ubwa hati tuboreke ebiri kugenda iyo shonga nizo zimwe akarura kako bari kufitera nakakibina cha NRM strategy structures nka NRM kechibina bine enkora yo kugira ngo babanze batoire akarura kechibine cyabo babanze beronda amabembezi abarayibembere abantu okugira ngo babayambe okumubrayizinga abandi bateze bakaruru okurugira kimwe rurengo rwa grassroots LC1 akatandikire biro mukaga okwezi okwa katano kutandike biro mukaga bakatera ka LC1 if we can take you back murishuka mwebembezi wihanga araragira ati nangwa nakushitama kwa cabinet tikorabeho ati nangwa no kushitama kwa parliament nakwe mukongezeyo buri member wa parliament we nazo mucaro cyo wabo aze kutera karuru akoko kutandikiraho nibyo bityoya I think muinkirize batwareho kakumiro tubambusiye kakumiro tuboreke ebiri kugenda misho urareba abantu babire steady security is very tight ababyo kwirinda bazuyire risho ningashi batireho ebyo kwirinda okubimimiza okugira ngo byona bibe guruguru nkoko barakira kuceta ngo security eri guruguru ebyo kwirinda kubimimiza kugira ngo hatabaho ubutabanguko ningo buvuyo tube twarebereho district zimwe zine buvuyo for example ka district ya Sembabure twareba habayo buvuyo yabababura kwikirizana twareba muri Mubende ya tukareba Mubende nayo habayo obuvuyo umuceka cha Kasambya Kasambya area MP Honorable Daudi Kabanda hakanise byaruga mu Karuru n'ibindi nkebyo andi twareba nayo bagira ngo reka tubaze twetegereza shongezi then tubone kutera karurako so koka kakumiro turufite gategangaraza ko bari guteka because abana abantu turukuranga bajure yero and we hope karaza kuba karuru kihorere kutuba kuba turi ready mu twikirize tubambusiye kakumiro okugira ngo murebe ebiri kufayo nebiri kugeno misho rero tubone kweyongerayo
delegates going again. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to request you to remain in your place and peacefully as I coordinate this election. Those delegates who are just coming, you are late and you must be fast because you are already late. The band should be excused. They have done their part, they can now withdraw. So security, the band should not continue this way. We have enough band leaders here. If we want to dance and sing, we shall do it ourselves. We are handling this election so that we can come out as one political party, not divided, not bruised. So I want to request the leaders to have their meetings quickly, and I come in to tell what we want to do next. Delegates, you are welcome. Take your seats, and I shall want you here. My name is Dr. Tango Doi. I'm the overall here in charge of this election. If I decide to disqualify you because you are late, I'll disqualify you. So delegates, can you hurry? What do you say hurry, Luke?
Bangue. Bangue speed.
Bangue delegates. Thank you.
Doctor, you are live on Emambia FM radio that is listened to by millions of people in the street. First of all, people outside there are highly anticipating the results from this election.
Yeah, the delegates.
So, Doctor, what message do you have for the people outside there who may not be able to reach here?
The first thing is, Bunyoro is NRM,
yes,
Kakumiro is NRM. The first message is that no amount of division should be allowed, so that the NRM. Bunyoro has a prime minister. Bunyoro has ministers. Leadership is about talking. Leadership is about respecting everybody. The leaders are talking.
Okay.
I can tell you the leaders are talking, and the talk will have fruits. We are almost like the Popo conclave.
Yes. Do we have the registers fully verified?
We are all thorough. I want to thank my team, led by the district election officer Gonzaga and sub-county registers. They've done perfect work. They have gone through their registers. If there are changes I'm going to make in all districts, I think this district will not have a lot of changes. Okay. The registers are there. Registers are thoroughly vetted, they're audited. We have a good register. We are waiting for the delegates who are delayed so that we vote.
This is an NRM family which now seems to be divided because of the big wigs, the political big wigs in the district. Do you have any way you are going to use to reconcile these people who happen now to be divided?
The reason I'm here is that the reason I'm here. And no one is above me now. With regard to NRM election.
Looking at the temperature you are seeing,
the temperature is cooling.
What is coming in the next election?
The next election will be controlled, everything at its own time. Every dog has its day.
Thank you.
NRM, we have victory. We won in court yesterday. Nalokol has been defeated. We cannot
They have appealed. They have appealed.
An appeal is an appeal. The verdict remains. It's not an MP.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. And you're going to have radio Emambia FM.
niyo uri kuva mu giceke cya Kakumiro koko nanabanjurire ngo turi mu district ya Kakumiro ukureba uko batera ubururu bwabo hanyuma yo kugira ngo esheke cya Bunyoro sub region cyo bururu bwabo bakaba bwongizeyo ahabwe nshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe ahabwe imirimo y'ibabire bine bari bize kandi Kakumiro niyo Right Honorable Prime Minister adazarwa kandi nangwa niyo araruga niwe member of parliament wabo wo mucara kandi niba bari guterera Karuru Elizoba bari ha district headquarters muri Kakumiro town. Security of course muri kugirebe mimize kandi abateze ba Karuru bari bashemerirwe barinzire kutera Karuru. wari kuba briefinga baramweta Dr. Tango Doi kandi okuza yuko kwa Tango Doi haryo abesimbireho hacweka ico abesimbire antebe yo kuba ba chairperson ba NRM mu district Johari Munka Fred Byamukama oguni Minister of State for Works and Transport umuhangari ya Uganda Mwami Fred Byamukama araza kuba ryaho ari kuronda entebe niye mwaho yo kuba chairperson wa NRM abwa district ya Kakumiro then ayisimbire n'uje mushija aho tureta mwese gwa Fred no bari kuhakanira entebe jo ya yo kuba ba chairperson ba NRM umuchweke chaha that's Fred Byamukama Minister of State for Works and Transport omwihanga ryitu rya Uganda ayisimbira n'indijo baramweta Fred Mwesigwa kandi baraza kuba bari kuronda entebe niye mwaho yo kuba ba person ba NRM mu district ya Kakumiro now Kakumiro hihi na district zo muri Bunyoro of course ko tuba twabagambire kandi ecweka nico kimwe eyitorwirwe Kagadi ayitorwirwe Kagadi kandi na Nahoima ukwagaruka yo zacegegwa yes in between there Chikube sai orubajorundi so urukureba ngo abantu bashemererwe munonga ninjira hino waika hwaho I think shemererwe kwetegereza kuyo kubatarinka Minister Byamukama yes shemererwe kuba niwe yayika mwanya nigwo gumwe kandi yija kugira ngo arebe uko abantu bamuterera karunko nko kuna nabagambire yes nko kuna nabagambire Minister Fred Byamukama umwanya yaguhikamu kandi uri kureba abateze bakaruru bacamuka kamba garure yuko ace umurika kumiro turebe okutahamu kwa Minister Fred Byamukama ko kwa bakuta kandi abateze bakaruru ecwani cyabakita tugaruke yuko kumiro
bagenda kweta sub-county pa sub-county mulire obakweta sub-county eja kujemera hano aruge ya aba sub-county yo aruge yakuna aba sub-county yo babasoma bandiku obakwera kubasoma mbara mutayenka mulire abarungi bajja kusoma sub-county baki oba kusoma sub-county ni mwemeranga nibone basoma mwabo abakuruka saidi na saidi era nibone twanka mulire so bayini basamu kiza obarayeta nkoko abakuru muruge mwinjana nabakuru muruge mwinjeka niko basome abana kutera kalulu obarayeta muni kakibinjo abakuru muruge mwinjeka nakuru muruge mwinjana niko tumatuteneka obaisi abantu
basembezayo. Pasana who are behind there. No, bali banonge bali.
Pasana tauli kaso bonka.
Mujano. Reine mutandikira. Amandi
Laini abakazi laini.
Abakazi mwemera.
Reine zibi.
Abajana
abasajja mwemera.
Oina kupichi.
Amanya wa pasano mu aije. Mama amanya wa pasano mu. Ara.
Pasana taulikazo. Pasana taulikazo. Pasana taulikazo. We have mainstream chairperson.
Mainstream chairperson. Tulio munsi banasio. Vice chairperson.
Sorry, sir.
You put a star.
What is the person?
Not the man.
Not the man.
It's coming, sorry, it's coming.
Don't say kutale.
You put a star, you put a star.
Come on.
Not coming out.
Who is complaining?
Did you Spencer?
Yeah.
You come.
Where your justice? Tom kama John.
Huh?
Tom kama John. You chairperson. Taiba Godfrey. Muhumuza Samuel.
Hello. Where is the gap?
Basoma itire wa mwasawa. Eno taida
Where is the gap?
Akambula basi.
Akambula you come.
Alinaitwa Edison. Ni wakaba. Mugabe Francis. Mwebaze Jedalia. Mwebaze Jedalia.
Kandi musheke chaka kumiro of course turamanya ngo akati ko kuterwa buri umwe wena kawa kari ka persons with disabilities baratekwa kuba bine okuba twire baratorana ku ruga LC obo baronzire ebiro mukaga then ebiri 12 harurengo rwa parish ebiro biri nabingahe harurengo rwegombora then hati baiche ha district aho bari Erizo mukaruru aka NRM so barabanza bashoma kumanya benyine yaba baruho rero baba baratera karuru shonga habwaci turaza kurinda kumanya uwayesimba noha ayesimbire na noha ahubwo kugira ngo abinji beine opportunity ninga shibine umugisha ubwo kugira kitekate kujugwesimba bayikaho asharimo agira ati ha katwikirizane ubu twesimbire babiri iwe vice wanje ninga mbe mukuru wawe ngabasiyoye so turaza kureba ngo gukura n'abagambire minister wa works state minister for works ori hansi ya Ministry of Works and Transport mukuru Fred Byamukama nawe nomwe ahabesimbire kuronda entebe yo kuba ba chairperson aba NRM mu district niyemwe yakakumiro kandi ayisimbire na Fred mwezigwa baraza ko baragwanira entebe niyemwejo of course muntarasa kugira ati ministry we agitwiremo yes agitwiremo of course nkumwe hari ba ministers hansi ya minister General Edward Katumba wa Mara then hasawo habone kuza home minister of state for works Fred Byamukama then wa transport honorable Musa Echweru muri ka 12 bitiyo ya Minister n'intebe niyejo kandi koko nanabagambire obu n'ubururu bari kugaruka obu bari tikubugarukamo anyway n'ubururu bari kutera for the first time ahubwo kugira ngo ubo ubwiro butwatire ubundi burura rurengo rwa district rwa katano ubwabo bakabwongezayo ahabwe imirimo y'ibabire bine yo kutayisa president na n'ibindi mikore yabire riyo umuceka cya Bunyoro yona. So generally Bunyoro erizo bakarone ubwo bari kukatera akarurengo rwa district kandi bityo nikwe biri kugenda umumisho ya
Publicity? Vice Chairperson Muhumuza Samuel.
Muhumuza Samuel.
turazaguma turabayiseho mpora kugira ngo mumanye uko biri kugenda misho mucweka nico kimwe kandi of course nkahabwe mbera yo bwire na nakinaki mare bahagira cyaye kwatamo muramanyangu network mu technology ubundi umuyaga guragwara baho gwahindura signals direction na nebindi yekonka niko biri bityo kandi akaruru diko kari kugenda misho umuntu arabasa kwebuza ngo akarura akarurengo rwa district kaheza kwa araza gukora tahwenshi karuraka kakatandika ibiro mukaga kwezi kwa katano arurengo rwa LC1 ningo rurengo rwe canga ukuronda party structures ningashi abebembezi abo buciko butari bumwe na bumwe hariho ukuronda amwebembezi mainstream chairperson which bina cha movement mu district yona ejo nico turukweta mainstream baronde chairperson baronde vice chairperson baronde ba secretary babiri umwe ashemeye kuba ari secretary for publicity. In fact ba secretary they are supposed to be 3 umwe araba secretary wa publicity undi jabe secretary wa treasury ningashi ubarakira kweta treasurer webye sente na nenshi then undi jo baramweta secretary general konka secretary ekigambo wachigamba haro secretary general na general secretary so shemego secretary general bigoze wajangu general secretary ekibina cha inarem kirikiriza ngo kine general secretary omwe uwa secretariat kandi oriwe owechitini Richard Todongo obwa hati so shemego kujangu secretary general which bina aharurengo rwa district abo baba bantu batano then bashemeye kuronda hono ndijo member okugira ngo akachiko kahike tyoya ejo ni mainstream bagira ho leagues ezitari zimwe na zimwe ariho youth league ningashi akachiko akemenyeto keyihemuce ya person na vice n'urukarara rutyoya abantu batano habaho women's league nabo beronde mbatyoya abamo the elderly ningashabe myaka ya bukuru yabakura kuramu veterans persons with disabilities abo nabo berondemu ubuciko ningashi akachiko akaraze kuba karebembera abo bamara buryo mwe nibo baragumiza mubaka participating umukuronda bembeze babo aharurengo rwa region abarija kuba baraza national convention ningashi cyo bareta national conference ibashitamisaga muri Kororo airstrip Kororo Penis Grounds muri Kampala. So ubuciko bwabora ku buildinga butyo aharurengo aho niho turarebera youth ningashaka chiko keminyeto ako akatori no kurugarurengo rwegombora urugwa new sub county division municipality cities and districts ubuciko bwamara buraheza bwekwate bwamara bubone kuronda I am giving you a case study ningashaka kureberaho cheminyeto nibo baraza kushitama bakeyihamu umwe uraba bere regional member of parliament. For example, eshweke chaburenge rwizoba kutandikana na Mbarara okaza muri Bunyoro okaza Kasese okashuma ukagaruka kunu Bunyaruguru birizi okaretwa Bushenyi shaka okagumizamo eshweke byona kubyetorora mpaka burenge rwizoba yona eine member of parliament omwe weminyeto Western Regional Youth MP ubwa hatori Honorable Edson Rugumayo, I think yes kuno komanta akora menshobe now obuchiko ubwo bwamenyeto baratorana harurengoro turi kuronda nka urwe rizoba for example ko muri Bunyoro ubwo ni bura participating umukuronda member of parliament. Wow. Then nana leagues katugambe the elderly bekore mumurimo baronde the MP for the elderly obwihanga ryona bamuterera karuru ahabiro ebigazetingirwe roadmap HB na cha NRM aho turagambira MP for the elderly na mnonga obwate baramweta Honorable Joy Peggy Wako. Yes, wabakikuru nobucira bengu turebire abinje hati bagaruka koreka interest ninga sho koreka echete ngo cyo kugira ngo baze mu ntebe ni yemwe tukaba twarebireho umchara wa Right Honorable John Patrick Amambabazi obareta Jacqueline Mbabazi yaje ateje ntebe ubundi bukire kukarahike katurebe no butakafiri yo kumanya structures zansi yaba ari kuziraba mwati mpora nkuko turi kureba binji barakiraba so ahabwa kugira ngo Bunyoro teratire karuru izoba joro akatano erizoba nibwo bashara mu kukatera nkuko kibina cha NRM cyabongizeyo urakurira kibina echo urakurira akaruru akomu kibina echarwangisiriza Dr. Tanga Odoy akaruru akakarahwe akaprime not primary structures baraza ko bari kwigerera mu karuru aka primaries akwaraze kuterwa then kamara kuterwa nkabe kibina cha movement buri ntebe ya making ashwanga ine omuntu ajikwatire bendera Tango Odoy abone kuhandingova akaruru basyo tuze mu general elections aho turija kurebera Justice Simon Byabakama ari kwebembera okuteza karuru umuyanga ryo naka general elections nebindi bibina aho birija okwegitiramu rero tukaronda abebembezi twabagumya ntinga tukaronda abebembezi basya so twaborekaho sample mu district ya Kakumiro nkoko bintu biri kutambura rero turebe kwa bande baraze ko baratera karuru mbicwe kabitari bimwe na bimwe Bunyoro yona mwari muza Masindi Mubende Chikube Kakumiro Kagadi Hoima City Bulisa I think ibicweke byo byona biraza ko biratera akaruru erizo nobundi nebintu turaguma bikuretera omakuru gitu mpora nyikiriza nguhumuze ukace je ntwamara tugaruke ubundi ne twakira be yagarukire kushoboroka turaza kugarura Kakumiro turebe butunu uko bari kutera karuru kankumuze ukace ubwa hati utaruga hata yari west ndi Sam wenyine.
The Kasha Festival 2025 ao kwa Kasha Country Inn featuring Vinka, Ray G, Truth 256, Tipo and lots of entertainment from MCs and DJs. Entrance is only 10k ordinary, 30k VIP, M12 Tano, Meza Gold and 1 million for a platinum table. This is all brought to you by DK Events, Acacia Country Inn, Even the Coffee, Eugene Lemon and Ginger, Pepsi, Aquafina, NBS, Afro Mobile, Tayari TV, Disco Paints, Vima Events.
Oku programs rukuratana aha Tayari West.
Tati yakubuza nkonkiwe ine waka mwereke wako tati yes ninje nanjino mungaro ejo tindijo ni waka alcoholic kombucha echo kunyonya murungi ekibinji bari kuba bino mungaro mnyanya yo kushemererwa muno maka ahubwo kubakorera waka ne kwa waka alcoholic kombucha ne korwa mu kituzi etangauzi n'amajani nobwo chi ne korwa echama Enterprises Uganda Limited nikagura shilingi 10 zonka rero weno hura wananuka wakanywa waka alcoholic kombucha ehamibwe UNBS okushubura tera noti mushanju noti emwe nshanju nishatu ana nishatu chenda nemwe ninga noti mushanju munani ishatu 10 ashatu na munana 16 otaguza marwa umuntu wena takayikize emyaka 18 y'obukuru nyono bushunanize bwa
Otaferwa aha tayari West
okwesa itakarike kuhinga emboga tikikwetagisana mwanya muhango no bwakuboine kota ana eka no basa kubyara emboga kandi obase ku aninga living so emboga twineze bikabyingi twineho dodo twineho spinach twineho sukuma wiki twineho cabbage twineho butunguru twineho beetroot twineho nenyanya
okubika enyanya kintu kikulu nnyo lwaki eradde ebisinga twogedde ku fungicides yes manga fungi fungi tuna yo ne bacteria tuna bacterial blight yoyo kati asobola kati bisinga spores za fungi zibera ku ttaka enkuba weetonya obanga oli mu kufukirira ennyanya zino amazzi gatonya ku ttaka ne gakomawo ne gakuba waggulu ku nnyanya kati we gadda waggulu
Chairperson Butolo Munyangonde Kwebiha Max you come Bateka Michael Asaba Wiriba. Wait. Nani? Asaba Wiriba. Is that Asaba Wiriba? Wait.
No, tiri dativa na yo kusoma kubi. Kumusime dativa.
Dativa. Erudas Chairperson. Nyakalundi Gelesesio. Vice Chairperson. Erudas Chairperson. Nyakalundi Gersesio Sempira Nyata Nakabirwa Mary Goret Yombo Michael Kachindo sub-county Byamutisha John PWDs PWDs Chairperson Kalia Buitwa Innocent Chomukama Mariana Subuka Julius
That is Subuka
Owengo Mapasco Mugisha Joffrey Women Chairperson Nabukula Grace Angela Nabibu Grace Basengale Harriet Tumusime Letitia Nkunda Margaret Then Veterans Chairperson Sentongo Antonio Makanika Felix Biarukaba John
Kiza John Bosco. Musabye Sam. Tudawa? Where?
Tukaruka Kibijo.
Executive Awareness Matter on Council. Asimwe Gertrude, are you the one?
Asimwe Gertrude. Sub-county.
Kakindo sub-county, I think. We have finished Kakindo.
Yongo Michael. Omuhereza Asimwe Charles. Chiza William. Nkuna Margaret.
Yombo Michael, put a star.
Annette Avoy. Yombo Michael, where are you?
District councillors,
we have Katika Michael, then Bazara Lawrence.
Kibijo, are you there? Kibijo sub-county, are you there? Mainstream chairperson, who was Abbott. Irumba Bendikit. Njamo Haki James.
Irumba sub-county na 14-15. Which copy is this? Camera copy ejo.
Njamo James.
Copy omutwe gwayo.
Techeririza Fabius Tereriza. Kato William. Kato William. You read the names. Maniriho Mustafa. Mukisa Julius. Kivumbi Robert. Kaiwa Leonard. Evidence. Chairperson. Rebecca Lozio. Kaibale John. Tibanyendela Jones. Ziwa Joseph. Manyonjo Teddy. PWDs. Chairperson. Lakibuka Gertrude. Niwamanya Jonan. Bikorwe Niwamanya Jonan. Bikorwenda Mande Emas Mas. Mande Emas Mas. Bitakasa Eliflaim. Women Abachara. Chairperson. Kushemerirwe Irene.
Meanwhile, while getting a red yes.
Mugambeje Idis. Asimwe Mary. Mantemu Florence. Nabukusu Mary. Then veterans. Chairperson. Balinda Moses. Veterans. Chairperson. Balinda Moses. Bareche Isaac.
Baleche Isaac. Tuinomuhweza. Augustine. Kama Alex. Tumuheirwe Aris. Executive
Chidijo Bitagase Ephraim Seruyange Patrick Nantongo Judith Alinda Christopher Mugisa Kalebe.
Boko Sub-County, are you here? Boko Sub-County.
Councillors, we have numbers Zira Stella. Andy Kasuja Bogere Kasuja John.
Boko Sub-County. Mainstream chairperson in Koko Sub-County. Mugula Sinan. Tusingwile Godfrey. Tulinawe Caleb. Semta Pasco. Tuliakiriza Vincent. Use. Joffrey. Nyiringimana Joffrey. Nyiringimana Joffrey. Use. Muhumuza Crespo. With this? Why you are Nyiringimana Joffrey. It's okay. This one is there. Kamaliza Susan. Crespo. Yabakama Julius. Lukaba Anthony Erudas Sekirinya Twaha Sekirinya Twaha Ndahula Eri Subuka Max Busesire Joffrey Tukumisirize Karen Subuka Max Busesire Joffrey Tukumisirize Karen Chairperson Kasibante Elsa President Samson Sentongo Emmanuel Kasibante Elsa President Samson Sentongo Emmanuel Muhabwe Francis Katsime Aisha Tario Francis Aizire Then women Hello. Mchara akomeo huyu. Akomeo. Women. Nasima Christine. Nasima Christine, Kobusinje Agatha, Nakanwaki Skovia, Batemba Margaret, Birungi Grace. Publicity. Yes, Muhabwe Francis. Where? With Sub-County? Koko. BWDs.
Publicity Muhabwe Francis. Publicity Muhabwe Francis. They must do that. Veterans, Chairperson Asimwe Hamidu Buku Namuka Christine Nahuela Julius Muhairwe Julius Nahuela Julius Muhairwe Julius Mogera Aliba Eliab. Then executive
County Executive Muslims Moses Kayasha Darius Abite Kanisa Guardian Bira Inidi Athaire Angela. We have Alichuamu Florence, and it is the only one. Another one is independent.
In Koko Town Council, get ready.
Koko Town Council, are you here?
Line up.
Koko Town Council, line up. Koko Town Council. Koko. Mainstream Chairperson Rugo Asui Rugo House Nabuko Harriet na Lugo Asui Sensipi Tom Abaho Robert A Kawande John Use
Batuwe microphone batemwe Amanda Gandhi
Use Chairperson Kibuka Rogers Sebalunzi Deo Kasabe Norin Tinyefunza Frank Namulembe Dembeloha Erudas Chairperson Bamuturaki Savias Sebanduka Jackson Bamuturaki Savias
Chabasaja get ready.
Bamuturaki Sebaduka is ready. Bamuturaki Savias Sebanduka Jackson Nakonzi Regina Kabito John Arikanyira Josephine Mama PWDs Chairperson Lugazu Fred Bigirwencha Andrew Katsimbe Kolotida Cheyasanga Labison Cholaba Oliver Women Chairperson Nankomera Alet Narusimba Aris Namuonge Jen Night Mire Nakibuka Sise Veterans
Another mic.
Veterans
Mike Andy
Veterans Chairperson Seruwanga Richard Sewante Bashir Bakunda Dezenderio Bakunda Publiciste Nancha Christine Executive
Koko Town Council Executive Younger Village Party Namaganda Margaret. Namaganda Margaret. Namaganda Margaret. Kama Cyprian. Chuanuka Elneo. Asaba Pauline. Asaba Pauline. Chuanuka Elneo. Chuanuka not there. District councillors, where are you? District councillors, the Baina.
Then you also get ready. Kabasanja come, also get ready. Buyinza Wilberforce. Buyinza Wilberforce. Baguma Riving. Tukume Florence. Yus Chapason. Twine Andrew. Majala Gerard. Naseje Josephine. Majala Gerard. Naseje Josephine. Senyonga David. Kawa Andrew. Majala. Erudas. Ogo. Oweksa Perus. Wa Yuzik.
She's from why?
She's sick. Wakiabasaija, you know her.
Use to survive. Then Erudas, Chairperson. Kamuzora John. Kasaija Joseph. Sala. Biarugaba, Biaruhanga John. PWDs. Chairperson. Abalema. Chairperson. Senyonga Philip. Sunday Godfrey. Sunga Kizito. Sebintu Colonel. Speciosa Nasas. Women. Chairperson. Kutesa Speciosa. Oweksa Perusi. Asimwe Christine. Nache Yune Harriet. Nantume Flora. Veterans Chairperson. Makakalu Eneo. Sempuya Bienkwaso John. Seruango Emmanuel. Kamale Vincent. Sechanzi Gerard. Executive.
Lutaro Edward. Asimo Joseph.
Bwanswa Sub-County. Bwanswa Sub-County. Mainstream Chairperson. Sebitu Vincent. Tibakunda John. Nyombi Edward. Kiza Mary. Asimwe John. Use Chairperson. Kisembo Francis. B. Mariam. Semuyanja Andrew. Sekaiwa Nicholas, Bukuma Lovis, Elders Chairperson, Bahir Pulazekta, Sevante Lawrence, Sevante Lawrence, Naika Lester, Fania, Kiza Omanyere Charis, Deogracias Basira,
Kakumiro Town Council,
PWDs, Abali, Chairperson, Sentai Masias, Kakande John, Chakuhairwe Olivia, Wesley John Joseph, Nansa Bateri, then women, Chairperson, Nakabira Maria Gorent, Usobos Zaina, Babas Dorin, Nabufu Margaret, Nakabito Gorent, Veterans, Chairperson, Sebandeka Zaina, Biencha John, Biabagambi Masias Musoke, Sekai Godfrey, Biabagambi Masias Musoke, Sekai Godfrey, Veterans. Veteran tuna Bandeke Zaina, Biencha John, Biabagambi Masias Musoke, Sekai Godfrey, Baluku Jelo. Executive.
So, Bwanso Executive, Pinaho Tadeo,
Kakumiro Town Council,
Kawa John, Nakuma Proscovia, Mbazia Emmanuel, Asimwe Juliet, Nebaba Batano. Councillors, we have Kiza Emmanuel, Nansamba Mary Goret, Nansamba Mary Goret,
Kakumiro Town Council.
Yes.
Kakumiro Town Council.
Meanwhile, getting ready.
Meanwhile, Kisembo, you be ready. Kakumiro Town Council, mainstream chairperson. Nyaika Pasco. Mwesikwa Fred. Asimwe Francisco. Sentongo Julius. Asimwe Francisco. Sentongo Julius. Bakashaba Moses. Youth. Chapasan. Kisembo John. Murinda Brian. Kisembo John. Kisembo John Youth. Kakumiro Town Council. Kisembo John. Murinda Brian.
Ekiro kukurataho aha tayari West. Otaferwa aha tayari West.
Ukozesa itaka rike kuhinga emboga tikikwetagisana mwanya muhango no bwakuboine kota ana eka